To format a chart in MS Excel, please go through the following procedure. Select the data series. After selection, click on the Insert tab. Then select the chart. As you select the chart created over here. Design tab providing you chart style, chart layout, switch between row and column, and change chart type. We will apply chart style very first. Click on the chart style. See, as you click, the different style appearing. Likewise, many styles available. Say for example, if you want to apply this one, see this style available. Then after, you can use the chart layout. See here, layout tab gives you different type of charts. See here, this layout, in this way you can see data label appearing on the top of every data series. Change it, this style. This layout gives you data table along with the data series, and you can see here axis style also. You can define the axis title over here. Likewise, as per your requirement, you can select the chart layout. See here, switch button gives you opportunity to swap the data over the axis. Click the switch button and see the item wise data. You can see dolls of all the three regions you can see together. Trucks sold by all three regions you can see together. Puzzles sold by all three regions you can see together. If you want to swap the region, then again click on the switch button. See here, region appearing, means region 1 is having all the product together, region 2 all the product together. You can see region 3 showing all the product sold here. Likewise, you can switch again, doll, trucks, puzzles, and once again you click region 1, region 2, region 3. Likewise, you can switch your data between axis. Next, you can use change chart type. See here, available dialog box. From this, you select the required chart. You see this different style, different type of chart you can see here. Likewise, you can select the different type of chart. Okay, so in this way you can apply different type of charts data. You can switch between the axis, you can apply chart layouts, and you can use chart style to format your existing chart. Thank you.